How to fix error code 0xc0000098. Your PC needs to be repaired. Fix boot configuration data missing. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be fixing the error code that says your PC needs to be repaired. Fix boot configuration data missing. So if you encounter the message, your PC needs to be repaired, the boot configuration data for your PC is missing or contains errors, and here's what you can do. First of all, you have to disconnect all the external accessories such as keyboards, mice, or gaming consoles like PS5 or PS4. Restart your PC to see if the issue persists. If that does not work, proceed to advanced troubleshooting. To access this, power off your system and then turn it on again. Repeat this process a few times until the system enters the diagnostic mode. If this does not work, use the Windows bootable USB and select the Repair Your PC option to access the troubleshooting screen. Once in Advanced Options, select the Troubleshoot and then Advanced Options again, and possibly the System Restore if available. If not, choose Command Prompt, input a series of commands and follow the displayed instructions to resolve the issue. If the problem persists, access your PC's BIOS menu and disable the secure boot, as this could be a potential cause of this error. If this still does not resolve the issue, return to the troubleshooting screen, select the command prompt and enter the specific commands to address the problem by creating the necessary boot files. So this was all about it. This is how you can try fixing the error code that says your PC needs to be repaired. So if you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.